Myself, Dr. Kamlesh Kumar Singh, Department of Chemistry, DAV, PG College, Siwan. Today we are going to talk about overlapping of atomic orbitals. A covalent bond is formed by the overlapping of atomic orbitals with opposite spin of unpaired electrons. Greater the overlapping of orbitals, stronger is the covalent bond. For effective overlapping of atomic orbitals during combination of bond, atomic orbitals are hybridized. On the basis of nature of overlapping, covalent bonds are classified into following types: sigma bond, pi bond, delta bond, and tau bond. Sigma bond is formed between two atoms by overlapping of orbitals along their axis is called sigma bond. Since the two electrons clouds overlapping along their axis, maximum overlapping is possible. Hence, bond formed is a stronger bond. Sigma bond forms as a result of maximum overlapping of SS, SPX or PXPX orbitals along these axes. This bond is less reactive. The sigma bonds give the idea of the shape of the molecules. The sigma bonds have independent existence. When overlapping of SS is called SS overlapping to form sigma bond, overlapping of S and PX orbital to form sigma bond, and overlapping of PX orbital to form sigma bond. Pi bond. The bond formation between two orbitals by the sidewise or lateral overlapping of the two half-filled orbitals is called pi bond. The pi bond is formed by p and d orbitals. As for example, overlapping of py and py orbitals to form pi bond, overlapping of pz orbitals to form pi bond. Pi bond is also formed by p and overlapping of p and d orbitals. The pi bond is a weaker and more reactive. Greater is the number of pi bonds, the stronger is the bond distance. As for example, carbon-carbon single bond, pi bond is 0 and bond length 1.54 angstrom. Carbon-carbon double bond, pi bond is 1 and bond length 1.34 angstrom. Carbon-carbon triple bonds, pi bond is 2 and bond length is 1.20 angstrom. Difference between sigma and pi bonds. Sigma bond. The sigma bond is formed by linear overlapping of atomic orbitals, while the pi bond is formed by lateral overlapping of atomic orbitals. Sigma bond. It may be formed by SS, SPX or PX overlapping. Pi bond. It is formed by p and d orbitals. In case of sigma bond, the sigma bond is a stronger and less reactive, while the pi bond is weaker and more reactive. In case of sigma bond, free rotation of atoms around the sigma bond is possible. Free rotation of atoms is not possible. In case of sigma bond, nodal planes are perpendicular to the bond axis. In case of pi bond, nodal plane is parallel to the plane of bond axis. In case of sigma bond, the sigma bonds determine the shape and geometry of the molecules, while the pi bonds do not influence the shape and geometry of the molecules. The sigma bonds have independent existence, while pi bond always exists with sigma bond. In question, calculate number of sigma and pi bonds. In case of hydrogen, due to presence of single bond, sigma is 1 and pi 1. In case of O2, sigma 1 and pi 1. In case of N2, sigma 1, pi 2. In case of CO2, sigma 2 and pi 2. In case of benzene, sigma 12 and pi 3. In case of acetylene or ethine, sigma 3 and pi 2. In case of urea, sigma 7